CEQA risk isn't random. It's largely predictable if you understand where it's created. You might think CEQA shows up during environmental review, but in reality, exposure is often created much earlier. Your entitlement strategy is already laid out for you during site selection. The site you choose, adjacent uses, historic context, traffic assumptions, whether your approval path is ministerial or discretionary, all of that shapes CEQA exposure. A common assumption is that because California has pro-housing legislation, a project must be CEQA exempt. That's not always the case. Some projects appear ministerial until a discretionary component is introduced. A small scope shift or zoning nuance can change the CEQA pathway entirely. What's changing is that state law is creating more clearly defined, streamlined pathways when projects qualify. For example, legislation like Assembly Bill 507 can reduce CEQA exposure for certain adaptive reuse projects under specific conditions. Assembly Bill 893 and Assembly Bill 2011 also expand housing pathways that can limit CEQA review when eligibility criteria are met. CEQA impacts budgets when entitlement strategy is reactive instead of proactive. If you evaluate CEQA exposure before design begins, you protect your timeline, you protect your capital stack, and your deal. Build smarter, plan earlier.